Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to deactivate your TikTok account. So let's start. First open the TikTok app. Now go to your profile from bottom right corner. Now tap on three dots on top right corner. Then go to manage account. At the bottom you'll see delete account. Tap on that. But before moving forward, you have to remember that you cannot deactivate your account without connecting a phone number. So if you haven't connected a phone number, do it right now and then tap on delete account. Now tap continue. Since I opened my TikTok account with my Google account, so I'll just continue with Google. And then I have to continue to my Google account. Now you have to remember that when you are deleting your account will be deactivated for 30 days. And you can easily reactivate your account just by logging in. And after those 30 days, your account will be deleted permanently. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.